Yeah, dude, I love League of Legends. Yeah, I'm not being sarcastic, bro.
What do you mean? What do you mean a hunting rifle did that? That was nasty. That was nasty. He died too.